In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get a loan to pay off credit card debt. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase two places where you will be able to acquire a loan to pay off any credit card debts or any other sort of payment that you need to issue. So, in this video, I'm going to be talking about a debt consolidation loan. This can be a helpful tool to manage high-interest credit card debt. Now, you have a lot of common options. You have a personal loan from banks or credit unions, so these loans offer lower interest rates than credit cards and they typically require good credit and a steady income. You have balance transfer from one credit card to another because they might offer 0% interest balance transfer promotions for a limited time. Then you have stuff like a home equity loan or line of credit, and you can go through the consolidation company. For this video specifically, I'm going to be showcasing how you can get a loan from either Prosper or Avant, which are both online lenders. So you will be able to visit prosper.com or avant.com. In these websites, all that you have to do is browse through all of their products. So as you can see, Prosper has a lot of different types of loans available. So just click on Apply Now, and you will be able to include the amount that you need for your loan and then the purpose. So they have stuff like debt consolidation, and you can browse through all of these to see whichever one is the best for you. Next, input your email address. I'm only going to input a random email address here to proceed, but you should carefully include all of the necessary details. As you can see, you will be required to include everything, so go through this process as needed, and as long as you include valid and legitimate information here, you will be able to get this process done. So just include everything, and as soon as you are done with this, you will be able to proceed, choose your primary source of income, your annual income, any additional income that you might have, and then your monthly rent or mortgage payment to see the offers. Don't worry, this will not affect your credit score, and of course you can do the same for Avant. So click on loans, check your options, and include all of the necessary details. Because a lot of this is sensitive information, I won't be able to show you this on YouTube, but you will be able to do it on your own by just following the instructions on screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to get a loan to pay off credit card debt. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.